Hello, welcome to AMR Soft. In this session, we'll learn what is a stored procedure, how to create it, and what is the benefits of a stored procedure. Okay, let's start with the SQL Server. First, we'll know what is the stored procedure. Actually, a stored procedure is a pre-compiled block of code, and in other words, we can say that it's a transact SQL statement block of transact SQL statement. Okay. Suppose we have some conditions like the same query or same query we are executing again and again, and every time we use the same query. Okay, in that situation, what we'll do, we will create a store procedure of, and we'll call the store procedure by its name, and every time there is no need to create again and again the right same query. Okay, so let's start with the SQL Server, and we will see the example of store procedures. I have created a database that is a college test. We'll see some tables here. There is a table that is table name is teacher. I'm going to select the teacher table. Okay, there is some data. Okay, and now I'm going to create a store procedure for this. Okay, there is a syntax like creating a store procedure. Create procedure, and there is a procedure name like select I'm or I will use the sub prefix to identify the store procedure like sp get all teachers. I'm going to write a store procedure for getting the all records from the teachers tables. Okay, teacher table. After that, here we will use the age, then begin, and here I will use the end in the last. Okay, and here we will write the query whatever you want to. Actually, you want to get all the teacher data. Okay, so I'm going to write here the select query like select start from teacher. Okay, this is a normal query like selecting the teacher's data, all teacher data without any conditions. Okay, let's see the output. What will it's okay. There is a normal select query. Okay, execute this, and normally it's returning all the data from the teacher table. Okay, uh, now we'll execute the store procedure query. Okay, there is a store procedure has been created in a database. We'll check the like we'll go in the programmability store procedures, and here we will see the store procedure which just we have created. Okay, get all teachers. Okay, okay, we'll know now we'll go to the execute the store this store procedure. Okay, there is a command to execute the store procedure like exec exec. We will write here the store procedure name and execute. Okay, now we are getting all the records from the teacher table. Okay, and exec means we can also write the full name of the exec like execute. It will also work. Okay, it will return the same output. Okay, so till now we have seen the how to create the store procedure. Okay, and how we have to execute the store procedure. Okay, now we will see a store procedure with some parameters and some conditions like going to create another stored pixel like create procedure. Here's some prefix I have written. Get teacher by ID. Okay, I have taken the name sp underscore get teacher by ID. Okay, we'll take it the meaningful name, whatever we are going to do in the stored procedure. Okay, for identification purpose. Okay, this is not mandatory, but for identification purpose we have to use that like this, and here we have also used, we have to use the some prefix like sp. Okay, then as, then begin, and here end. We'll write here the conditions. uh, okay, and uh, first of all we have to take here parameter like I'm going to pass the id like id, and here we will assign the type of the that id parameter which we have in the database. Okay, we can take here any name, but we are going to select with the id, and okay, id conditions. That's why we are taking like id, or we can take the teacher's id and anything. Okay, now I'm going to write here the query select from start from teacher, and here we will use the id equal to, no, not id, here we have to use the where condition. Okay, for matching the records, and we'll take this and pass will in the where condition. Okay, what it will do, it will return the all the data from the teachers table where id equal to uh, it will match from the teacher tables. Okay, there is a id is unique, so it can be uh, possible to return only one data. Okay, okay, let's check the output after executing. Okay, I have executed, and again we'll use the execute query by id. Okay, get teacher by id, sorry, I'm going to execute. No, some mistakes here. I'm going to copy and paste this name. Okay, see the output here. Oh, okay, it's not executing without the parameter because I have already passed some parameter like id integer type. Okay, that's why I'm going to, we have to pass here the parameter, like I'm going to pass the one is matching, it will match from the database and return the record of teacher that related to one id. Okay, going to execute. Okay, okay, now see, fine, it's returning the first record which have the id 1. Okay, I'm going to write here to 5. It will record later with the 5. Okay, let's see here. Here id is 5. It's matching with the this id and returning that output. Okay, what we are going to do here, again we are going to some other procedure like again parameter range like create procedure sp get teachers by address. Okay, and I'm going to pass here, we can take any strings, any type of data in the parameter like string, integer, decimal, any type of data. Okay, I'm going to match condition with the, going to match the condition with the address. Okay, so address, or we can write here the, sorry, I'm going to pass the variable like at the rate, declare the variable like at the rate, and this is the string like where char, not char, where char 20. Okay, after it we will use as begin, and here we will use the end. Okay, now I'm going to again use the conditions like the previous structure. Okay, select the start from teacher where, sorry, where address, I've taken the field here address 1. Okay, from the database, and equal to at the rate city. I mentioned the parameter like city. Okay, there's not necessary to write the same parameter name. It's only compulsory to write the same format like data type. Okay, it's important to match with the same data type. Okay, not the name. Okay, I'm going to execute here, and let's see the output. Check again. We have to pass here some parameter like there is a string we have taken in the varchar, we have taken in the city parameter. Okay, that's why you have to pass here the single quotation. I think always we can write in we have to write in the single quotation in the SQL server. Okay, that's why I'm writing here like I'm using a Thane. Let's see the output. Either any records available, it will return. Okay, okay, there is so many records from the Thane address. Okay, it's returning the multiple records. Okay, again we'll use the, we can also suppose we have multiple parameters. Okay, like I'm going to what I'm going to do, I'm again going to create a separate parameter like a separate store procedure with the multiple parameters. Okay, let's let's see the structure of the store procedure. Okay, yeah, I'm going to select with the contact number and city. Okay, and I'm going to, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to execute like first I have selected a city, and second one I have another parameter like contact, and this is also a varchar. Okay, and address and contact. Okay, and now I'm going to execute contact number, sorry, no, not number, let's see the data, contact number, address 1. Okay, here we have to assign the second parameter like it's match with the contact number equal to at the rate, we will pass the contact which we have created just, and here we will use the comma, that's why we are getting the error. Okay, now going to execute. Okay, command executed successfully. Okay, and now we will see the output. Okay, by executing this query. Okay, for executing that query you will use the execute sp get teachers by address and contact. Okay, it will not execute without parameter. Okay, because we have already passed two parameters, city and contact. Okay, Now I'm going to here pass here Mumbai. It is a string, so we will put in the single quotation, and second one is also a string. That's why we will use the like I'm going to pass the parameter like mobile number and execute, see what happened, what will happen. Okay, it's returning some records like matching with the like city Mumbai, and address is matching with Mumbai, and here contact number is also matching with the condition. Okay, that's why it's returning. Okay, now we will what we'll do, we'll replace the parameter like unmatching. I'm going to pass contact number in city and city in contact number. Okay, it means this is city, means this is address is I'm going to put in contact number, and contact number I'm going to put in address. Let's see what will happen. Okay, it will not throw an error because both are string parameters. Okay, and there is no any matching conditions with this city and this mobile number. Okay, so what we'll do, we can also use like this. We have used the city. Okay, and we can also assign the contact number in this, and we'll execute. Let's see what will happen. It will going to return the correct output. Why it's going to return the correct output? Because we have assigned the assigned here the output, sorry, a parameter name we have which we have taken in the stop procedure. Okay, so it's identifying that parameter that is this is we have to pass in the contact, and this is it's passing in the city. Okay, so we have seen already in all the store process like this is parameterless store procedure, not assigned any parameter. Okay, in this we have seen like integer parameter. Okay, and we have also used here like integer parameter, and in this we have used the string parameter, and in this procedure I have used the multiple parameters, string parameters. Okay, now what we're going to do here, now we are going to do here the alter the store procedure. What we are going to do here, again when we try to execute again, it will not create again because it's already available in our database. Okay, so we will see here, yeah, every store procedure is available in our database. Okay, now I'm going to alter this. Alter means modify. Okay, we will use the alter keyword. Okay, and I'm going to use here the order by clause. Order by, sorry, order by id descending. Okay, we can execute like descending or ascending. It will return the output in descending order. Okay, and ascending order. Right now it should execute in uh, a descending order. Okay, let's check the output. Yeah, it's returning the data like ascending order, 46, 42, 37, and 5. Okay, now I'm going to do here the ascending AC, and going to execute, going to alter. We can alter the same astro procedure many times. Okay, now I'm going to execute. It should return the output like extending order 5, 37, 42, and 46. Okay, it's returning the correct output. Okay, right now, now I'm going to do here one thing, like if you want to see the structure of the store procedure. Okay, okay, and we can say that we want to uh, check the schema of or text of the store procedure. Okay, so what we'll do, there is a two way to check the check or view the schema of the store procedure. Like I'm going to first I want to suppose I will take anyone, like I'm going to take this, and I'm going to use here modify. It's showing here the schema, like uh, in this database it is available, and we can alter. Okay, and this is the schema of the store procedure. Okay, now going to check. Okay, here it is showing the create, and whatever we have passed, this is showing the schema. There is a shortcut to view the schema of the or structure of the store procedure. Like what I'm going to do here, there it can be possible. It can be also be possible with the system of store procedure. Like there is a system of store procedure like SP help text. This is a system of store procedure. Okay, and we'll put any of the store procedure name. Okay, it will return the schema of the store procedure. Okay, let's execute. Okay, now let's see the output, what it's returning. By the help of system store procedure, we are returning or we are getting the schema of the store procedure or text of the store procedure. Okay, and fine. In this tutorial, it's completed the store procedure example with example. Okay, and in another tutorial we'll see the more about the store procedure. Thank you for today.